Good evening, folks. Here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2011 Chevy Tahoe PPV with 110,000 miles. Original black from factory from the city of Ontario, California. So this bad boy has no rust on it whatsoever. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and it is in immaculate running condition and shape. Once again, original black. I do have about maybe 3-4 dings on the vehicle. Very minimal amount of scratches. Tinted windows from the department, medium shade all around. Based on my inspection and condition of the vehicle when I first got it, it probably belonged to maybe a high-ranking officer, or who knows, maybe belonged to one of those SWAT team officers. This is E85 OK. Vehicle's ready to go anywhere. As you can see, it does have plates, up to date. I do have the title, and the vehicle is ready to go. Simple transfer. Take it to your local AAA office, and you are done. I reconditioned the whole car, and I even did a little bit extra to it to make it even better. And I will go through those features in a minute for you. Before I forget, the steel wheels were reconditioned, repainted when I got the vehicle, so I wanted them to look newer, so I went ahead and had those repainted, gloss black, special wheel paint. I do have working new LED spotlight bulbs, clear lights and lenses in the front. Yes, everything does work. The paint looks immaculate, and the vehicle looks super sharp and is very intimidating driving down the road, just so you know. No holes anywhere. No holes anywhere on the vehicle. E85 OK. Let's go inside of the vehicle now so that I can show you what was done. As you can see, I do have a leather rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Vinyl flooring. Just got some footsteps there. Rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the vehicle, so switches and rods are in there with the locks. Folks, let's get to it. As you can see, it does have leather seats. Now, typically these vehicles do not come with leather seats from the department, not unless you go out and get them redone. In my case, I had a little bit of extra money left in my budget, so I had both seats done with leather seats. So I wanted the whole car to match. So yes, leather seats in the front. My upholstery guy really did a fantastic job putting it together for me. It does have an aftermarket center console that I put in there myself. When I first got the car, there was nothing on there, but that's a used center console. I needed a cup holder and somewhere to rest my arm, so I'm sorry. So I got to use one. It's not a new one, but hey, it's here. Perfect dash. Let me clean this up here for you. I did have a Kenwood stereo dual DIMM installed into the vehicle with all the bells and whistles you need. Bluetooth, GPS, rear view cameras, everything was done to the car. Okay, let's fire her up and I'll show you what was done to it. Pressure lights off. Once again, 110,000 miles, 109, but I'm almost there. Vehicle is in perfect running condition. Stereo works. Rear backup camera is there. It is a touchscreen, so there it is, guys. Whatever you need is here.
interpreters. I don't need to talk.
Let's go to the tailgate real quick. Did I? Oh, let me see. Honk works. Sorry, guys. LEDs do work. Sorry, I fell behind. Before I forget, you guys take a look at the headliner there. The headliner was done, covered with suede. Perfect touch. Once again, there was nothing wrong with the previous one that the car came with, but my upholstery guy had some extra material. I always liked that look, so the hairliner was professionally done with suede material. Okay, perfect touch with leather seats. Okay, there you go. Tailgate is trunk space is clear. Original stereo is there just in case. I'm putting it in there so it's gonna go with the car. Steel wheels, like once again they were reconditioned, so they were repainted, brought back to new condition. Tires, I do have a set of 4 new takeoffs, Goodyear RSA Eagles on it. The tires that the car came with, I didn't like. They were already worn down and dry rot, so I went ahead and had those replaced with a fresh set of new takeoffs. This is the engine. As you can see, very quiet, very smooth, and on the road she is fast. She is a beast. For those of us that are familiar with this vehicle, we know what we're looking at. Dual battery, one right here and another one right there. So yes, dual battery. This particular car received a full synthetic oil change, 530 with Dexos. Transmission was serviced. I used AC Delco Mercon 6 fluid and filter. Air filter looked good, so I went ahead and left that alone. I do have new brakes, semi-new brakes and rotors all around from the department, so I went ahead and left those alone. I do have a what it appears to be a new dry belt from that department. Also, vehicle does have a new water pump and thermostat from the department. We move to the right here. It does have brand new radiator hoses, top and bottom radiator hoses, with a possible new radiator. So let me tell you, they took great care of this car, because I was in and out of this vehicle, top and bottom. I got to see everything. Whoever was assigned to this car, he or she made sure that this car was good to go. Just so you know, before I forget, the vehicle does have some little stains here. You can kind of see that right there. Let me move over here. You can kind of see it. This particular area, it has some stains. I'm not sure if you color sand it, they will come off, but I'm letting you know it's there. Okay, some scratches, maybe here. You guys, you can kind of see them right there, but you gotta have eagle eyes to see them. Let me tell you. One last final look here for you guys. (2011) Chevy Tahoe Police Pursuit vehicle, 2-wheel drive. Yes, this is a 2-wheel drive with 110,000 miles from the city of Ontario, California. Super sharp and in immaculate running condition, guys. Let me tell you, this is the cream of the crop right here. I don't often get Chevy Tahoes, but when I do, I go all out, as you can see. Alright guys, this is the Car Inventory guy signing off. I gotta go. My 10th minute have hit the roof already, so I need to go. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great weekend. God bless. Take care. And stay safe out there. Thank you.